Okay, this isn't working. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be trying out, hold on, the Nikkietutorials in Beauty Bay palette. That was upside down. We're gonna be trying out the Nikkietutorials in Beauty Bay palette. I am super excited to show you guys how awesome this palette is. Like, I'm already super biased about it. So that's what you want to see? Then stay tuned. I don't even know what type of look we're gonna do. I'm just super excited to try it out. Super. Oh wow, you guys can't even see my face. Hold on. All right, I think I fixed the camera. You guys can see me now. Look at that. All right, so I have no idea what look I'm going to do. There's just so many wonderful colors, as you guys can see. But I think we're just gonna go in and we're gonna try. I'm gonna go ahead and start with Basic Truth and just, I love that she has a color that's basic bitch, because that's me. I'm a basic bee. And we're gonna go in with Slasher next. Not 1000% sure this is going as expected. Okay, this is what we have so far. You guys can't really tell because the lighting's really bad. That's great. I do like the colors. They seem to be very easy to apply. They mix really well together and they blend out really well too. I think the biggest challenge we have so far is just my lack of talent, but we're gonna continue on. I'm just trying to think what would be a good complementary color to the pink, you know? For some reason, my heart says orange next. We'll see. Actually, I think a pop of orange isn't that bad. Okay, I think I need to do more concealer. Kind of like a cut crease, if you will. Which I don't think I can do, but I'll try. This was a much better idea in my head. Okay, so this eye is officially a hot mess, but we're gonna continue on to the next eye anyways, because we've gotten this far. I do have to say I'm super impressed with the red color in this palette. It's spectacular. It's the only thing I like about this eye, which just progressively gets worse as I look at it. So let us continue on. So far, I'm liking the blue side a lot more, but I also haven't put the main colors down yet, so we'll see. I really thought that was gonna save it, but I don't think so. I look like Harley Quinn. That's great. I'm going to attempt to save this look off camera. So we will be right back. Okay, sorry guys, it just felt like super impersonable and I wasn't comfortable, and I'm just like, I'm gonna move so I can actually think about what I'm saying and focus on the video and you guys. So yeah, here's a close-up. I even took the time, you guys, to put it under my eyes, and I think it turned out really well. Super easy to use, so I did like that. I feel like it is super intimidating to use bright colors like this, at least for me. That's why I always buy palettes like this and then I end up giving them away because I'm just like, I never use them. So this is very out of my comfort zone. And normally I film these things and I just delete them, but I'm determined to show you guys how great this palette is. So I bought it obviously the day it came out, and I believe it sold out that day. And I got it probably about a week later. So I've had this in my possession for about a week. I did use it the day after I got it. I used a look with 5 a.m. I put that in my crease and then I topped it off with, I believe it was All In. And it was pretty, I was just trying to do what I do for an everyday look, which is just I throw some sort of brown color in my crease and then I top it off with something that's nice and neutral and bright, like a champagne-y color. So that's what I was trying to do with this. Oh, you know what? I might have used Nikkietutorials. I don't remember which color, but either way, it was nice and pretty, but it was really boring. So I was like, oh no, what am I gonna think of this palette? But I do really like the colors. They're awesome. My thoughts, I still have the packaging that all of it came in, so hold on one sec. So this is literally the box it came in. I just dropped it all, but okay. As you can see, it is super cute. You could tell that they put a lot of thought into this whole collaboration. It is so well thought out. I love it. I love the vibe of it. On the inside it says, hey guys, it's Nikki, hello. And then it also says, you're gonna wanna Instagram this. You're gonna wanna gram this. I did. I put it on my Instagram stories and I tagged Nikki in it, and she didn't respond or anything, which makes sense. She's a busy woman. This is the box that it came in, and on the back it says, hello guys, it's me, Nikki. Hello. I am beyond excited for you to finally see this, my palette in collaboration with Beauty Bay. I am so grateful for this opportunity, and this time we're doing it right for everybody. This palette truly showcases my life and personality. You guys know that I'm all about bright and unique makeup looks, but this palette also shows a different, darker side of me. I can't wait to see the looks you'll create, from dark and mysterious to bold and uniquely you. This palette is my safe place, my temple, and this never would have happened without the support of my glow babies. I love you. Well, Nikki, I love you too. I appreciate it. This is the card that is supposed to tell you what brushes and stuff you can use to apply it. I was so pumped when she told us that she was going to be adding this in it, and then I received it, and I'm not gonna lie, I was a little disappointed because it literally just tells you if you use a brush or your finger. It doesn't tell you what type of brush, and I felt like my interpretation when she was explaining this, it was gonna like tell you what type of brush would be best to use to apply it. But it's a start, and it is something that is a little bit helpful, I guess. I just wish it would tell you more, because I feel like most people who are going to be buying this are already going to be able to look at the colors and be like, oh yeah, I can use both a brush and a finger to apply Roxy Catan, but it's only going to really be best to use a brush with Redemption. You know, like, I didn't need the card to tell me that, but that's okay. Like I said, I haven't used the mirrors just because that's not typically how I apply my makeup, but I know a lot of people out there do, and sometimes I do, you know, this method. Most of the time I don't. That was awkward. So my overall thoughts on this palette are, I love it. I think she's already restocked and still sold out by now. If not, they're planning on restocking it soon. We're gonna cut that out. I don't think that's true. I definitely don't regret buying it. I'm super glad that this is kind of like the special edition palette I chose for myself, because I don't typically buy things like this right when they come out. I don't know if that makes any sense. Like, you know, like ColourPop, how every week it seems like they release a new collection. I don't go out of my way to buy special collections of makeup like this. If it's something that is available all the time, I will eventually like go out and buy it if it's in stores like Ulta. But yes, I'm excited. I finally like was like, okay, this is it. This is the palette I'm gonna get, because I know it's gonna be amazing. Thanks for tuning in to today's video, guys. I really appreciate it. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. You guys have to let me know what you think of it. I know it definitely looks like an amateur did it. Like, please roast me in the comments if you want to. I'm not a professional by any means, and I'm not gonna try to pretend that I am. So I think it's a cute Harley Quinn look. That's why I kind of like laughed inside, and she's like, you can create your own original look. And I was like, we're kicking it back to like, I don't know, 2016 when Suicide Squad came out and everyone was like, I'm Harley Quinn. That's the vibe of today's video. But I have to say, I think I did a good job at applying it. So thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.